CES 2026, today I'm taking a look at Simple Switch, and we've got Jytte here. Tell me what you got going on here.
We have an energy management system that allows you to add appliances to your already full panel without having to upgrade.
Right.
So it does it in two ways. You can do a one circuit, two appliance, a binary share. One is on, the other is off. Or you can do a whole home share where we read the main power and we monitor as long as you're less than 80% of your main, your added load is on. Ratchet above the 80%, your added load gets shed. So you can share the power in two different ways. And we also have a new product coming out where we integrated an EV charger, and that's a variable rate charger. So you have your variable rate charger plus you have your circuit share. So we read in real time how much power is being consumed. That charger will grab whatever's available, 10 amps, 20 amps, up to 48 amps. So it throttles more or less. Plus it does a circuit share. You don't have to ask for more power from the grid. You don't have to spend $20,000 upgrading your panel. Very simple product for a complex problem. It's called Simple Switch.
That's awesome. So that's something that I've actually been thinking about, because I have a home that I got just a few years ago, and it has a 100 amp circuit in it. But if I wanted to get an electric vehicle or something like that, basically I'd have to slow charge that, and that would be a big drain if I needed to do that with a modern lifestyle. So with this, you could share essentially a dryer circuit with your electrical car circuit.
That's true, or induction cooktop if you want to get rid of your gas appliances, a new heat pump, a sauna, a pool heater. Not here in Nevada, but other places you can add an air conditioner. So you don't want anything high use. So two high power appliances can be shared, any two, up to you.
Up to 48 amps.
48 amps for charging, that's right. It does go on a 50 amp breaker or 60 amp breaker.
Got you, okay. And this is the new model that you got coming out, and this is going to be how you will have it at your house. So you just basically screw that right next to your electrical panel. Is that correct?
That is correct. And for the binary share, you pull out the appliance where it's in the circuit. Now that circuit gets plugged into our device, and your appliances go through our circuit board, and that's how you read. One is on, the other's not. One is on, the other's not. Or again, use CTs to clamp onto the main circuit.
Okay. That's awesome. So what is the retail price that we're expecting for this?
$750 for our current model. Once we add the EV charging element to it, we're not positive. We're going to try and keep it below $1,000, so $999.99.
Okay. Well, considering that's really not bad, because if I wanted to upgrade to a 200 amp circuit, then that, like she was saying, $20,000 easy. And you'd probably end up paying more for the electrician than for the actual equipment.
That's right. And also, don't forget, with our new one, you don't have to buy an external EV charger, and you don't have to hire an electrician to put in your NEMA 1450 outlet. So you won't need that outlet any longer. So it just comes and installs our one product, and you're good to go for your EV charging.
Right on. All right, thank you very much. It's been excellent, Jytte.
Thank you so much.
Right on.
Appreciate it.